guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 10 DIY Christmas gifts for you all, so if you need some more ideas that are inexpensive and creative and easy to make, I really hope this video helps you out. Plus there is a giveaway at the end of this video that you definitely want to enter, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's go.
Walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. That's right.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God in the highest. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Father, now in flesh appearing. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
That was the whole video. Those were all the DIYs. I really hope that you guys found hopefully at least one gift idea to give to someone that you know. Right now I'm doing a giveaway, so as you guys surely already know, I did launch my own holiday clothing line. It's called Kaylee Elise Designs. This cropped hoodies, and if you need some more gift ideas, I would definitely recommend checking that out. But I thought that I would do a giveaway and gift one of the things to you guys. I'm going to be giving away this crew neck that says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." It has the really soft fleece lining. I have one myself that I love. If you want to win this crew neck, all you have to do is obviously make sure you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And then go over to Instagram and follow both my Instagram account, Kaylee_Elise, as well as my clothing line's account, Kaylee Elise Designs. I'll have a post where you just have to tag a couple friends. Definitely go enter that giveaway so you can win this crew neck because it's really fun for the holiday season. But yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!